Hey folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video is for Thursday, November 15th, 2012. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Well, folks, the markets were selling off a little bit earlier today. We've come back and are now hovering just around the flat line. The SPY just down a dime on the day. Remember, the SPY is the tracking ETF for the S&P 500. So, again, you sold off nicely. You came down to a support level right down here and ultimately pierced it, never confirmed below that level, and rebounded back up towards the flat line. This is a big initiative here on the markets for a couple reasons. Number one, my major level of the 136.65 to 70 level, this right here, was closed below yesterday. So basically for us at In The Money Stocks, we have these proprietary techniques that we utilize, which gives us a success rate of 80-90% per trade. Now what you're looking at here is what's called the confirmation signal. Now I can't reveal exactly what it is here, obviously being a free video, but one thing what we're looking for is whether or not you confirm the move from yesterday. If you confirm it, then that means the markets can go lower. If you don't confirm it, it leaves it open, the door open for a significant bounce up. So again, I'm watching towards the end of the day today to see what happens here. Do we confirm below that key 136.65-70 level, or do we not confirm, which again could yield a major bounce in the markets? There's a lot of bearish sentiment out there. That leads me to believe that the markets may not confirm, but again, I think the late day question will be answered. We basically have been seeing almost every single day is late day selling. So I think once you get to about 3 o'clock today, 3:30, that's where you're going to find out what this market's made of. Do we see continuous selling? And again, if you look at every day, yesterday, late day selling. If you go back to Tuesday, late day selling. Almost every single day you're seeing late day selling going all the way back days and days. Does that happen again today? If that's the case, then you may confirm below and head lower. If you do not confirm today, then I'm still in a camp that you may see a bounce up. And again, that is something we will watch into tomorrow and into next week, obviously. All right. Markets coming back down just a little bit here. Spider's now down 22 cents. Taking a look out there, dollar UUP trading flat to slightly negative on the day. The dollar continues to be up into resistance. Gap fill right here, 200 MA. You can see a couple days ago you came up and kissed that level. Have pulled slightly back off, but not major pullback as of now. Bernanke made some comments on housing and the banks today. Nothing major there, though. Overall, no major revelations at this point in time. Let's take a look at some of the key movers today. Apple down about $7.50. It is hovering right on a key level here, guys. This, from basically the close here to the low pivot here, this is a major level on Apple. Really going all the way down to about the 522 level or so. And we almost got there on the lows of the day, but this is a huge level. If this level breaks, which I doubt it will, if it does, you may see the market continue down because Apple will continue down. If Apple holds this level, this is why it's so important to watch the chart on the spiders, because the chart on the spiders, whether or not we confirm today, is relatively intact in regards to the importance of whether or not Apple breaks here as well. If one breaks, the other will break. All right, if neither breaks, this market's getting a bounce. That's simple. Apple controls the markets. The markets, again, go off of Apple. All right, Apple a little bit weaker today. Market's a little bit weaker. And we're lower have come back because Apple bounced back. Same thing. All right, so that's what we have going on here with the Apple trade. What else? Goldman Sachs up $1.35. JP Morgan up about 15 cents. So we're seeing, even with the SPY, the S&P down a little bit. And the S&P is down about a point and change here, down about 1.35. NASDAQ's down about 7. Dow's down 21. But you're seeing, even with those indexes slightly red on the day, you're still seeing financials actually being a leader here. So financials leading the charge higher. You have JPM and Goldman up. Those are positives for the market. However, Chevron, guys, take a look at Chevron. Chevron continues to crater today. If we go to the daily chart, this is actually getting into intriguing area and a very intriguing level here. I think this is what you're looking for on Chevron. If Chevron could sell off into about the 100 level, I think you start to look for a bounce there at Chevron 100 even number. All right. What else do we have here? Google trading down about 6.5. Baidu's getting a bounce after getting crushed yesterday at 50 cents. And Exxon's basically on the flat line. Taking a look at Caterpillar today. CAT up 7 cents, so that's hanging in there a little bit. Walmart's one of the big losers today, down about $2.50. But notice how Walmart was lower earlier, came right into that 200 MA and got a bounce. So beautiful bounce on Walmart there. And again, we don't really need that trend line there anymore. But again, notice the low pivot right there, the 200 MA. That's exactly where you seem to find support on the intraday, as you got a bounce on Walmart back up. A couple other stocks in motion that I'm keeping my eye on. Molly Corp is definitely getting intriguing if it gets below $6, so I'll be watching that. Hewlett Packard, I think, is also very intriguing, right around the $13 level. That's also a nice little level on HPQ. Bottom line is, going back to the markets, guys, it all comes down to this. Does the market today confirm the breakdown below the 136.65.70 level today from yesterday? That's the only thing that I think matters, and that will be a significant play over the next couple days. So we will watch that at the end of the day. I will update all my members in the nightly video today inside the Research Center, and again, we'll give them all the in-depth analysis, possible trade setups. By the way, a trade setup I gave in the technical analysis video, which is part of the Research Center yesterday, was JPM, guys, at the 200 MA. Look at this. So today, JPM goes lower, pierces the 200 MA. Look at the bounce. I mean, these are just easy trades. These are trades that you don't even have to be a genius to take. Very easy money in your pocket if you bought JPM right around the $39 level. Basically, just today, and the markets are still down, but JPM, you're already up 50 cents on that trade. If the markets actually start to bounce, you make $2-3 in a matter of days, in my opinion, on that. All right? So again, take the 7-day free trial here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Let's watch to see if we confirm today. That's going to be a big factor. Spiders right now just down 25 cents or so. And again, we're still holding the 20 MA. You got a nice pop to the 50. Great pullback. Now can we fight through the 50 MA? That's going to be something we'll watch for this afternoon. Take care, guys.